Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 7th October 2020. So let us see which are the important articles in today's The Hindu newspaper. So these are the articles for mains purpose and for prelims purpose. We have segregated them. Let us see one by one. First article on page number 6, editorial page. Yes, the context of the article, recently we know that the 2020 Nobel Prize for Medicine or Physiology is given to scientists or doctors who had, let's say, done research for decades for particular disease, or let's say finding particular virus responsible for that disease, that is hepatitis C virus. ठीक है. So the significance of this discovery is discussed in this article, and that too how this, let's say, Nobel Prize is given that for the let's say discovery of that particular virus, and in the time period that we are the world is battling with the COVID-19, and yes, the scientists are still struggling to find the cure for this virus. So yes, we can say that that will add as a boost to those who are working in this, let's say, path. Fine. So let us try to take input from this article. Yes, Nobel 2020 Prize for Physiology or Medicine goes to Harvey Alter, Michael Houghton and Charles Rice. It's a stout endorsement of our years of work that went towards identifying one of the world's greatest scourges. तो ये एक्चुअली जो है 3 साइंटिस्ट को इसलिए मिला है, आइडेंटिफाइंग द वायरल ओरिजिन ऑफ हेपेटाइटिस सी. चूजिंग रिसर्चर्स हु वेंट आफ्टर द पैथोजन and succeed in unwrapping the whole puzzle at a time when others are fighting fatigue in daily battle against this SARS-CoV-2 virus that is responsible for COVID-19 disease. Okay, is also a hat to tip the virologist and geneticist burning the midnight oil for 9 months now. ठीक है, तो ये एक उनके लिए हम बोल सकते हैं कि एक काफ़ी सिग्निफिकेंट इवेंट है, वायरोलॉजिस्ट एंड दोज हु आर वर्किंग इन दिस फील्ड. In fact, it was for the discovery of hepatitis B virus (HBV) and the development of first generation HBV vaccine that Baruch Blumberg, whom the young Alter, ये जो अल्टर जो साइंटिस्ट जिनको अभी मिला है हेपेटाइटिस सी के लिए, उन्होंने इनके साथ काम किया था, बरुच ब्लूमबर्ग. और इन बरुच ब्लूमबर्ग को तब मेडिसिन के लिए, हेपेटाइटिस बी वायरस के लिए, वैक्सीन के लिए उनको तब उस टाइम पे नोबेल मिला था, राइट. सो यस, ही वाज, लेट्स से, असिस्टिंग that scientist at that time, and he himself now got let's say Nobel Prize for hepatitis C. According to WHO Global Hepatitis Report, HBV and HCV, hepatitis B virus and hepatitis C virus, are major causes for mortality and morbidity, with 1.34 million deaths reported in 2015, a 63% increase from 1990, mainly due to HCV. ठीक है, तो ये हेपेटाइटिस सी वायरस जो है ज़्यादा डेडली है, हम बोल सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स इज आल्सो कंपेरेबल टू दैट कॉज्ड बाय द टीबी एंड हायर दैन दैट कॉज्ड बाय द AIDS. So we can say that this let's say disease or the virus was one of the, let's say, virus that was responsible for large scale mortality and morbidity among the people all over the world. With the development of effective drugs against HCV, it is possible that threat to this virus infection will reduce, and hopefully that will be eliminated soon. The Nobel Committee called it among the most impactful scientific accomplishment of 20th century. Okay, at the same time, it can be, let's say, it represents the milestone achievements that have revolutionized medicine and substantially improved the human health. So we can say that this is a very good development. And concluding statement, yes, a very good statement that is written, the triumph of humanity over the pathogens that debilite and kill men and women is certainly a singular achievement that is worth celebrating, and showcasing this achievement will send a deeply inspiring message at a time when another virus is holding the world to ransom. Okay, so we can use such kind of statement when let's say directly question is asked regarding Nobel Prize for Medicine in the mains examination, or in general अगर आपको health से related essay आता है, so you can use let's say this achievement in terms of let's say control over pathogens in the wild. We can take let's say take input from this article. For basic information of hepatitis C, जो हमने yesterday we had discussed about it, you can refer to the Hindu analysis of 6th October. Okay, so basic information about this disease, how this disease transfers through let's say blood infections. ठीक है, तो वो आपको उसके बारे में बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन 6 अक्टूबर के द हिंदू में मिलेगी. फाइन, मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल. यस, 3 ब्लैक होल रिसर्चर्स गेट नोबेल प्राइज फॉर फिजिक्स. नाउ वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट डेली न्यूज़ रिगार्डिंग लेट्स से अभी जो मेडिसिन के लिए था आज फिजिक्स के लिए है, कल शायद केमिस्ट्री के लिए भी अनाउंस हो सकता है. एंड देन वी कैन से द अदर प्राइजेस also for Nobel prizes also. So yes, Roger Penrose of Britain, Reinhard Genzel of Germany and Andrea Ghez of US won the Nobel Prize for their research into what Nobel Committee called one of the most exotic phenomenon in the universe, that is black hole. Okay, so the research and various discoveries in the phenomenon called as black hole. For that purpose, these 3 scientists got Nobel Prize in Physics for 2020. Mr. Penrose, 89 years old, was honored for showcasing that the general theory of relativity leads to the formation of black holes. So this is let's say he also worked with physicist Stephen Hawking, who died in 2018. So his contribution was also very important in this theory, or let's say explanation. At the same time, Mr. Genzel and Ms. Ghez were jointly awarded for discovering that invisible and extremely heavy object governs the orbit of stars at the center of our galaxy. ओके, तो वो इनविजिबल हेवी ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है वो उन्होंने डिस्कवर करके उन्होंने बताया है, एंड दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक swirl दैट आवर गैलेक्सी हैज. ओके, यस, सो मिस गेज is just the 4th woman to receive the physics prize since 1901 when the first Nobel was handed out. The first woman to win the prize was Marie Curie in 1903, who was also the first person to receive 2 Nobel prizes when she won the chemistry prize in 1911. Yes, Marie Curie, we know about her work in radioactive elements in chemistry. Yes, so yes, she was the first woman to receive the Nobel Prize in physics, and then 2 Nobel prizes, first person to receive 2 Nobel prizes. The term black hole refers to a point in the space where matter is so compressed as to create the gravity field from which even light cannot escape. So basic concept क्या है black hole का? Yes, so when a star collapses into itself after consuming whole energy of it, okay, or let's say after consuming whole fuel that it has to burn, okay, and after that it collapses into itself to form a black hole. So that huge amount of gravity it creates, even the light cannot escape from that kind of gravity. So this is called as a black hole. Calculation of Mr. Penrose proved that black holes, superdense objects formed when a heavy star collapses under the weight of its own gravity, are direct consequences of Einstein's general theory of relativity. Yes, Mr. Genzel and Ms. Ghez have led to research since the early 1990s focusing on region called Sagittarius A star asterisk. Sagittarius A asterisk at the center of Milky Way. तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट जो हेवी ऑब्जेक्ट बोला गया है, यूजिंग द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट टेलीस्कोप्स दे डिस्कवर एन एक्सट्रीमली हेवी इनविजिबल ऑब्जेक्ट अराउंड 4 million times greater than mass of the sun that pulls on surrounding stars, giving the galaxy its characteristic swirl. तो हम देखते हैं कि हमारी गैलेक्सी में इस तरीके से एक swirl तैयार किया गया है, राइट? So yes, at the center there is some kind of invisible heavy object which is attracting all these stars, nearby stars, in this manner and therefore a characteristic swirl is created. ऐसा उन्होंने एक डिस्कवरी किया है. That object or the region is called as Sagittarius A Asteris. So such kind of question in prelims can be asked. ओके सो ये आपको बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन उसके बारे में पता होनी चाहिए, ब्लैक होल. एंड यस, दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड इन प्रीलिम्स. अगेन yesterday we also had similar kind of question for medicine. Yes, Nobel Prize 2020 in physics was presented to scientists for their research into which of the following? So yes, all of them are in news. We can say that black hole is the answer. Gravitational wave, यूपीएससी ने पूछ लिया है इन 2019 अबाउट ग्रेविटेशनल वेव. व्हाट इज फिफ्थ स्टेट ऑफ मैटर? इट इज कॉल्ड एज BEC, बोस आइंस्टाइन कंडेंसेट, फिफ्थ स्टेट ऑफ मैटर. ओके, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो समटाइम इन न्यूज. एंड लेजर फिजिक्स 2018 नोबेल इन फिजिक्स. ठीक है, तो ये ऑलरेडी चला गया है. सो लेजर फिजिक्स के बारे में. So right now the Nobel Prize in Physics is given in let's say work for understanding the black hole phenomenon. Fine. Yes. Next, some important developments in COVID-19 and government policies regarding it. So yes, this particular article is related to electronic industry and that particular scheme, production linked incentive scheme for large scale electronic manufacturing. And in that particular scheme, recently the Ministry of Electronics and IT has cleared or approved 16 proposals by the electronic manufacturers. ठीक है, तो इसमें बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल फर्म्स भी है, like Foxconn is there, Honhai, Winstron and Pegatron, who are the contract manufacturers of Apple iPhone. So we can say that now by establishing more and more manufacturing centers in India, these international companies and the supply chain changes will be there. We had already earlier discussed how the countries and companies are focusing to move away from China and invest in new emerging markets like India and some Southeast Asian countries. Okay. So yes, companies would bring additional investment in electronic manufacturing to the tune of let's say 11,000 crore and generate more than 2 lakh direct employment opportunities in next 5 years. So these three schemes in the electronic sector were launched on 1st April 2020 as a part of national policy on electronics. Yes, so the production linked incentive scheme for large scale electronic manufacturing, second scheme for promotion of manufacturing of electronic components and semiconductors, specs, the modified electronics manufacturing cluster EMC 2.0 scheme. So this particular is the first scheme that we are talking here. The scheme proposes financial incentives to boost domestic manufacturing and attract large investment in the electronic value chain. ठीक है, electronics value chain including electronic components and semiconductor packaging. So under the scheme what happens is electronic manufacturing companies will get incentives of 4 to 6% on incremental sales over the base year. ठीक है, तो for next period of 5 years. The scheme shall only be applicable for target segments, namely mobile phones and specified electronic components. तो ये specific companies के लिए ही है और specific sector के लिए. The scheme will be implemented through nodal agency which shall act as a project management agency. We can say that this will be single point authority or agency to contact let's say implement, responsible for providing secretarial, managerial and implemental support of this scheme. Fine. So we can say that we want to become a important hub for manufacturing sector of electronics goods and that too mobile phones. Fine. So this is a very good development we can say in economy. Then yes, now some important developments in COVID-19. Union Health Ministry said that it was expecting COVID-19 vaccine supplies to be available from early next year. Yes, from time to time the government is focusing now to early, let's say, facilitation, providing or distribution of this vaccine once it is available. There is a digital platform that is created being enhanced to track the real-time basis the vaccine movement from procurement, storage to distribution and administration. So that kind of digital platform will be created, a very good we can say development also or preparedness in this regard, we can say that. At the same time, it is also talking about yes, Sputnik 5 Russian vaccine that was recently released, or first vaccine in the world to be, let's say, authorized by any particular country. Russian Direct Investment Fund उन्होंने develop किया हुआ है, and this RDIF collaborated with Dr. Reddy's laboratory in India, Hyderabad based company has collaborated with it for, let's say, trials of vaccine as well as its distribution. So yes, CDSCO had asked to submit revised protocol for conducting phase 2 and phase 3 human clinical trials in India for this Russian vaccine. At the same time, yes, India continues to report trend of steadily decline active cases as percentage of total positive cases. तो ये हो गया है हमें 13.75%, एक्टिव केसेस कंप्राइज 13.75 of total positive cases. However, our health secretary, Union Health Secretary said that dismissing the reports of India having reached and crossed its COVID-19 peak, that said that with the festive season around the corner, this was no time to lower the guard. Yes, basically we should not become casual, or let's say lower the protection that still we need to have at present एंड बिकम कैजुअल. तो ऐसा हमेशा ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो पीक क्रॉस कर लिया तो वो सेकंड वेव नहीं आएगा. सेकंड वेव कैन बी देयर. So we need to be very careful till the vaccine is there, effective vaccine is there. So that is what it is talking about. Fine. So yes, digital platform to track the vaccine movement, ये एक important development है. Next. Yes, festive events only outside containment zone. Yes, central government guidelines are there issued. Yes, what are these guidelines? Standard operating procedures on preventive measures to contain spread of COVID-19 during festivities. These are the central government guidelines. What they are saying, no festive events will be allowed in containment zones, and persons above 65 years, those with comorbidities, pregnant women and children below 10 are advised to stay at home, Union Health Ministry says. Okay, so document notes that October, November, December witnessed large gathering in specified locations of religious worship, fairs and rallies, exhibitions, cultural functions, which may last a day or week or more. So we can say that there will be many, let's say, religious functions for Navratri or Dashera, Diwali is there. So yes, because of that there can be the problem of, let's say, spread of infections here. Document says that the organizers, staff, visitors from the containment zone shall not be permitted in areas where festive events are organized. Keeping in view of physical distancing norm, event sites should have adequate floor area, proper marking. देखिए ये सारे जो प्रोविजंस है ये किसके लिए है? To, let's say, arrest more, there should not be more and more infections in those because of those gatherings, religious gatherings, and that's why these strict guidelines are given by the central government. Fine? Yes. So these were important articles from today's The Hindu newspaper. For further information on editorial discussion classes or ED classes, which have become very much important in nowadays after looking at 2020 prelims examination, we can see that a depth of knowledge in particular issue is very much important to attempt prelims questions also, and such kind of depth is dealt in our ED classes, editorial discussion classes, and that are, let's say, taken by Ansari sir and team. You for further information regarding those classes you can contact Lukman IAS. Thank you.